Alright, this is the final walkthrough before filler and then paint. Turned out alright. I'll have to hope the filler will smooth this out a little bit. We fixed that hole up there, that rust spot. Got all that welded in. What else? Let's see here. So here's my original patch I did a month ago that I thought that's all I was going to do. And then here we've got this kind of grafted on here. I tapped out those bolt holes so I get the fender in there. On the driver's side. Put a little mini section in here because that was all rusted out. The side I learned I didn't do as terrible of a job. And there you have it. Not bad for a first timer. Not bad at all.